FTO. I took an FTO and changed the game. Built some training aids, not chasing fame. Pulled it apart so I could finally see how every move works mechanically. One piece turns, another one flies. Patterns start appearing before my eyes. It's a crazy puzzle, that's for sure. But every practice makes my solving more secure. It's driving me crazy, bring on the anxiety. Every mistake's another lesson. Every solve's another victory. I got 6 months until the starting line, when the FTO becomes official time. I'm not chasing records, not trying to be number one. I'm just trying to do my best and have a little fun. Speed Cuban is my world, that FTO's my dream. These training aids might be exactly what I need. Algorithms 1x1, learning how the pieces run. Recognition getting fast, slowly making progress at last. Some days feel like 2 steps back, other days I'm on the right track. Every scramble tells a story, every solve brings me closer to glory. One turn, one case, one more look, one more chase. I don't have to be the fastest, I just wanna understand. I'll keep practicing tomorrow, cube still in my head. I've got 6 months until the competition day. I'm gonna keep on learning every single way. No Guinness records, that's not who I am. I'm solving for the journey with my Cuban fam. Speak Cuban is my world, the FTO, my goal. These training aids are helping one solve at a time. So if you're learning to don't and take the ride, we'll last, we'll learn, we'll Cubic pride. One time at a time, one algorithm at a time, one dream at a time. FTO, here I come. Here I come.
Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly is still at the hospital, and I'm just altering my training cube a little bit that I made the other day. Instead of just having all white, all orange, all gray, the hexagons, and all orange, when I was learning some F2L skills, it's probably best if I keep the edge color, because if you make the hexagon, if you combine both the trapezoids to make a hexagon, you don't know if the edges are orientated properly, and that's one of the key things when you're solving an FTO. You just can't just make a trap, because if it's not orientated properly, then you're all screwed up. So what I did was I went back, I got my thermal printer cleaning pen, and I cleaned the edge color that I blackened out. Came out pretty good. All these, even that yellow looks good. And so I took those out, and then I cleaned the other ones. They got smeared a little bit, and now I got the training cube that I want, which has white, orange, gray, and green. Those colors interact with each other. For instance, if I turn, you can see white and green are on the same side. This won't happen with red, blue, and purple, and the other color, which I forget which one it is. And it would never hit the white side, only the green. You got orange and you got gray. But blue and red, purple, and was it yellow? Yeah, yellow would never be on the same face as white, would never be on the same face as gray, would never be in the same face as green, would never be in the same face as orange. So I took those out completely, except for I left the edge color, because you have to know, like green is here is already solid, but are the edges orientated properly? Okay, if they're not, there's an algorithm to change it. I don't know it right now, but I will. Like if it's in order, but it's if it's in order as it should be, but it's not in the right place, there's an algorithm to turn this whole hexagon one space at a time. One space at a time. The whole thing would just turn. So, without messing up the other, of course, the other side. So, yeah. So this is the way exactly how I wanted it now. So that's going to be training cube number 1, and then I have the other training cube. This one is all white. I have all the white side, and then I have the corresponding edges to the white, and I have all the tips. So I'm still working on this one. I'm not sure if it's beneficial, but I know the tips are going to be, because you have to learn how to, when you're doing I call them tips, but the corners, when you're orientating the corners, there's a way that if you need to switch them, there's another algorithm you can do to switch them around. So it's definitely going to help a little bit. I just don't know how much. And if you need to do the whole white side, you can orientate your edges and then work on your tips. I think this cube will work out pretty good. So I got the two training cubes. I just manipulated to one, and I might make a cube. I need to darken this one again. It does come off a little bit, but you can still use it as a training cube. You just can see what the color is, and little by little it's going to come off. But it's not really going to disrupt your training, and you're still not going to focus on that color. You're going to focus on the colors that are not blackened out. So this is great training cube, because this turns pretty good. As you can see, I like the way it turns. I'm a big fan. These are the QV Toy FTO Ttiled, and this one is the magnetic one. The $21.99. I think they're a little expensive, but I wanted this one for my training cubes. One here that's not blackened out. This one, I might make one that has all the colors except for the tips. Take out all the tips, and so it just has all the hexagons on all the sides. So, but I'm going to take out all the tips if I think that's beneficial. Yep, I got one more still in the package. So awesome. That's how the packaging looks on the QV Toys. It doesn't really have a name. It's QV Toys FTO Magnetic. And there's another one that's $14.99 that's not magnetic. So I don't know how that turns. I might actually get it just to see how it turns. So I'm not sure if I need one more of these, because I don't need one that's solid like this, because I have so many other FTOs. This is my LanLan cube that I took all the stickers out and added hook and loop fastener. I call it hook and loop training cube, FTO training cube, and it's Velcro. So I use stickers, but they were vinyl, so they're not tearing apart. So they're lasting pretty good, except for the LanLan is. You can learn on the LanLan. It's just, kind of like a Rubik's Cube. You got to be right on it for it to turn. It has no corner cutting skills. This is how LanLan looks in the box. Nothing special. But it's $13.99. I think it's too expensive for this cube. But, it is what it is. Oh, look at that sticker. It's crooked. Tag crooked. Yeah. So, you can use them for training cubes. You can. Because all you have to do if you buy a couple of these is take out the stickers that you don't want, and you have training cubes. And then I have my QV toy. I forget which one it is, but it's the one with the purple logo. And this one's small, but it turns really good. I couldn't tell you if it pops because I don't really saw with it at all. once I get learn how to solve an FTO and get good at it, I would revisit this just to see if it's pretty good. But I think it's going to be pretty good. And the colors are very vibrant. So nice. I'm going to put these back. I'm still trying to find a good tutorial that sits here and teaches me step by step, as I was somebody that needs step by step, which I am. So I'm still trying to find a tutorial. I heard Ting Man's coming out with one. He's working on one, and hopefully he goes step by step. And I'm talking step by step. But the beginning, you gotta go slow, man. You gotta. Until somebody gets it, and then once they get it, it's like, oh, okay, yeah, I get it now.
Cut this short, buddy.
Well, that's all I have. Got my training cubes, and this was just going to be a short video showing you how I changed the one training cube. So that's all I have. So if you have any questions, comment down below. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Cuban is my world. The FTO's my dream. Every practice session brings confidence to me. One time, one move, one algorithm, one groove. Every failure teaches, every success grows. The more that I keep learning, the more my confidence shows. It's not about perfection, it's not about first place. It's about enjoying every solve I face. I got 6 months, I got to try. One solve at a time, I'm feeling alive. Speak Cuban is my world. The FTO's my goal. These string and ain't just mine. Help me reach my soul. Friends beside me, you've been every day. That's the real victory, no matter what they say. Another scramble, another lesson, another smile, one turn at a time. FTO.